Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my first review video of the anymaka hammock stand, portable hammock stand. I bought this a while ago. I set it up and I tried to do a first impressions video, but I really screwed up. So anyways, we're gonna make this quick. I'm doing something a little special today. This thing came with a canopy, and I'm gonna try and test it out in the rain and see if it's actually made for the rain or not. Have not seen anybody do that yet. So it's gonna rain today. But anyways, this is supposed to set up in 3 seconds, which, you know, if you don't know what you're doing, it doesn't. But I kind of know what I'm doing. So it comes with a cup holder. It comes with a canopy kit, which is kind of hard to set up. The instructions aren't very clear. And it comes with a hammock. The stand itself is really easy to take out and set up. Compared to other hammock stands you might see, it comes all in one piece. So it's very easy to set up. So really easy to flip out. I'm doing this on my back porch too. The intention of this, when I bought it, I'm gonna take it camping with me, but it also works great at home. Ow. So you just flip it out like that, and now you have a hammock stand. Just about 3 seconds. So I'm gonna set up the canopy in hopes that I can test it in the rain. It has 2 modes. It has a sitting mode, which I just showed you, and then it has the hammock mode where the arms are all extended all the way out. We're gonna set up this canopy first because it's gonna start raining here real soon. I just checked the weather report and it is starting to sprinkle, so just hope my camera can handle it. So the canopy kit comes with the poles, the fabric, and I was very lucky. Mine came with 3 screws. You only need 2. So the screws are in this pouch. And they look like this. So it's a plastic handle with a bolt on the end. These are not very strong, so do not wrench them down. You will break them and they might get stuck in there, or I don't know, they just won't work anymore. So be very careful with them. I ended up, I'll show you later, maybe I'll take a clip from my first impression video and I'll add that in here and show you what I did wrong. So this thing is not very easy to set up. I hope I get this all in frame. In fact, hold that thought. Yeah, okay, we're all in frame. I live next to a really busy road, so I apologize for any car noise. It's a 25-mile-an-hour road, but you can probably tell people don't care what the speed limit is. They go as fast as they want. All right, comes with a little retention strap. So this thing is really tricky. It snaps together really well. The poles are really good construction. They're made of a kind of an aluminum, but it's got a swivel in the middle. See that? That swivel is very important. Okay. So I'm doing this without reading the instructions. The instructions don't really help. In fact, they're poorly worded, and actually there's no words at all. It's just a picture. So it makes it really hard. In fact, I misinterpreted the instructions and made a big mistake. Okay. So we want to find the side, and there's these little red tabs, and you're supposed to stick each end of the sides in there. Kind of goes together like a kite. It's like a kite sail. Uh-oh. Looks like I did it backwards. So we'll fast forward through this part. I gotta do it over again. There, that looks better. Yeah, okay. So now comes the tricky part. This is the thing that they don't explain very well in the instructions. How to connect it to the hammock stand itself. So you got these screws, and right here in between is where you're supposed to actually attach the canopy. It looks like you can attach it straight from the outside, but that's not how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to actually stick it inside here, like so. And another note, don't put it in through this side. It's supposed to go in through the back. It's kind of easy to tell. You'll get a little resistance from the screw. There. I see threads and I want to just put it through the threads, but that's not how you're supposed to do it. That easy. Little squeak. And you can bring it up like this. Got a little wind today. And you're supposed to go crisscross, so opposite side. Which is going to be hard because this thing just flapped over. So we'll do our best here to hurry things along. There we go. It's actually quite difficult to get these things in. There we go. And once again, we go through the back. And we're not quite done yet. Okay, so this part here, there's these little straps. And what you want to do is you want to get this thing on one side and get this strap on the other side. You're going to run it like a bicycle helmet or a motorcycle helmet. You pull it backwards through this. You go up through this ring and then you pull it back down. There's some Velcro and you attach it right here. Then you want to kind of center it on there and then pull this tight until it's, until the canopy itself is tight. I already see raindrops on the top. Okay, so there's the canopy and there's the hammock stand. Now we want to put the hammock in. Now I did it in this order because I want to see if I can do this while keeping the hammock dry. So the ground is wet. So let's say you're in a rainstorm or something. I would set up the canopy first before putting in the hammock. There we go. The hammock is fully set up. Let's give you a quick tour here. Oh, well, we're not done yet. Hold on. We got one more thing to add. That's this handy dandy cup holder. All right, so once again, I got this to take camping with me, but I can also use it right here where I don't have any trees. I have a back porch. So I like to pull the hammock open a little bit at the ends here. All right, quick tour. You can see there's already rain forming on the top of the hammock stand. So here's this part here. You go in through the back. There's no threads in the back. So you put this in between these, and you can go one side or the other. It doesn't matter, but you need to do the opposite side over here. And this cup holder is really cool. I can put a cell phone in there. I can hang things from it. If I have something, there's a little hook on it here. So you got a little hook. Your cell phone can go here. Big bottle can go there. I think I have a 40-ounce hydro flask that'll fit in there. I mean, technically, this could double as a cup holder as well. But yeah. That's it. That's the review, and I will say I've used this thing a lot in my house. So anyways, that's my review. I would say 7 out of 10. There's a mosquito net that comes with this, but I didn't get one. I ordered it from Amazon and I got the full kit, and I was upset that it doesn't really mention what all comes with the kayak or with the hammock. So it comes with the canopy, the hammock stand, and a cup holder. You have to buy the mosquito net separately. But that's it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna leave this set up, and we're gonna see if it starts to rain, and I'll come back out and do another video of that. Okay guys, as promised, sorry if the volume's getting adjusted, I'm holding my camera funny. Okay, there we go. Me again. I just ate lunch. Sorry if there's anything on my beard or my shirt. It's raining out. I still have this out. The canopy is waterproof. You can tell the water is beating up, but there's a problem. I don't know if you can see this, but there's rain all up to about here. I think it would keep you dry for a while, but in a heavy rain, I think the water would actually run down into the over time. So this is not made for rain. I'm gonna leave it up and see what happens, see if water pools up inside here, but it's pretty much dry all the way through here. But and it's protecting me from the rain. So anyways, there's your review. I bought this on Amazon. I bought the full kit. It did not come with the mosquito net. So if anybody's curious, no mosquito net. That comes separately. So that's my review. Thanks for watching.